Good morning, happy Thursday, or good afternoon to you all on the other side of the coast. I am getting ready to plant some seeds. I planted a strawberry plant, tomato, and some jalapeno plant outside already, and I found a pumpkin plant growing in the middle of my front yard, probably from when I flung a pumpkin out there last Halloween. So I tried to save that. I hope I didn't kill it, and transplanted that. And these are Kringle things that come when you order Kringle candles. So I poked a hole in them, and I think these are like a good way to start some seeds. Gonna do some just in my kitchen window, and then Emily has some grow lights that I'm gonna use as well. So I'm excited. We've got sunflowers. I haven't planted this mammoth variety yet. Zinnias, these usually do really well. And I will put a bunch of marigolds around once I transplant because bunnies like to eat these. But we had gorgeous zinnias during the pandemic, really tall ones. So these are the giant double enchantress. I've planted these before. These get really tall and autumn beauties. And then beans sprout really quickly, so I'm excited about those. And then some more zinnias. So I'm excited to do this, and I should be working, but I'm gonna maybe sneak over to Home Goods to see if I could find this candle Emily found this morning. She had an early shift, and then I have to do some work, to earn some money to pay for such things. Have a good day, everyone.